Hi, I'm Mike Zima, and today on my Motivational Monday, I'm going to go through some insights where I reached out to my network to find out how to build a successful branded campaign this holiday season. So I'm going to share three of my favorite ones today. This one is from Adam Thompson. He's a director of marketing. The biggest mistake I've seen marketers make is lumping their metrics together for their brand campaigns and their other campaigns. That's a huge mistake for a few reasons. Brand campaigns typically have very high conversion rates because they're targeting people who are already familiar with your company. This can boost your overall campaign statistics, making your campaigns look far more successful at customer acquisition than they really are. Brand campaigns fill a very different role than any other PPC campaigns. Brand campaigns aren't about new prospects or customer acquisition. They're about defending the audience you already have. And this is very true because if you're not defending your own audience, one of your competitors can reach out and target your branded campaign keywords and start siphoning off some of your traffic. So it's very important that you are playing inch by inch in this numbers game because it's very important to utilize all the features that are available to you when doing advertising. So Ryan Sholin shared this PPC mistake. It's not much of a mistake, but the one thing that I did not make the most of was the ad text. I originally started with generic salesy type ad copy, which means it was not very engaging. PPC gives you the opportunity to be a little bit more creative with your headlines, unlike SEO. So make the most of it. This is a great time to showcase a new deal or product or even show your witty side. So this is very true. You can construct and develop different types of personas. If I can create an ad and it says Mickey Mouse and it has a 100% conversion rate, you better believe I would run that ad if I had the data to support it. However, you do have to be concise and you have to have consistency all the way through your marketing funnel in order to prevent and disengage any of your visitors. So thank you, Ryan. And this one is from James Bowen. He is a founder. One of the best tips regarding branded PPC campaigns is to use custom audiences to limit who can see your branded search campaigns. For example, you may want users who have previously engaged with your brand to be served an ad via a branded search campaign, but might want to exclude users who have already converted and became a customer. This can be done by setting up custom audiences in Google Analytics and excluding them in your branded campaign. By doing so, you can prioritize ad spend on prospects searching for your brand versus existing customers. And these custom audiences is very important. You can hack it together with Google Analytics and a proper configuration of your tracking pixel. Google is also giving us more different audiences that we can create and run these campaigns. So make sure you're utilizing custom audiences. Make sure you're measuring your campaign and your unbranded versus your branded campaigns differently instead of lumping them together, and have a strategy in order to preserve your brand identity online and actually give a witty side to let prospects know who you are and come through into your site very engaged. And this gives you a lot more control, as we know, over SEO. So it's one of the things you should consider. Let me know if you have any questions about your branded campaigns.